Okay, welcome. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn about how to create charts for visualization. So in Excel you can use charts to visualize your records to present to management or anybody that you are presenting your data to. Mostly visualization makes it easier to find trends in records than looking through the raw figures. And in Excel, to create a chart is very easy. So we have this record of year and conference attendance, and we want to find a chart for, or that will give a distribution of the various years and its attendance. So to do that, you need to select the records first, and when you are done, you come to insert, you come to the insert tab, then charts. At charts you see recommended charts. So when you select recommended charts, Excel will give you a recommended chart that you can use. So these are the recommended charts that we can use. So the first one is the line chart, then we have the clustered column chart, then we have the scatter, the stacked area, then pie chart. So let's simply use this clustered column chart. Right, so by this, Excel gives us a nice chart of our records. So at a glance we know that 2021 had the highest conference attendance, and you can edit, you can change the color of your cell by just right clicking on it and choosing fill, or you can click here to choose different designs for your graph. Then you can also click on this plus sign to select the various chart elements. Maybe you want the x-axis and y-axis to show, you want the legends to show, the trend line and all that. So depending on what you want, you can use you can choose from these elements, right? So you want to go back to the original format. Okay, so you see we get a beautiful chart or visualization to represent our data. So basically this is how to create charts in Excel. You can change the type of chart by clicking on the chart, coming to this area, then choosing either this, or you can choose a different, let's use pie chart. Right, very simple. So depending on what you want, you can just manipulate the chart to suit whatever you want. So you just need to understand how to create charts, and when you understand it, you can just visualize your data nicely. Okay, so this brings us to the end of data visualization with Excel. Okay, see you in the next class.